One. This is my rescue dog. Puppy. Puppy or dog? She's almost 5 months old. Yet she don't get any bigger. So here she is. I rescued her. I think she's 1 month old, or yeah, when I got her. But she already completed her fang. So maybe she's old already, maybe 5 months, something like that, or 4 months. She don't get any bigger. She don't get any getting like fat. I don't know what kind of breed is this dog, but I am so lucky that I found her and take her home with me. Ani day, sil, that's it. Excuse me. You guys are out of the league. You're done. Wait up, wait. Wait up. Oh. Ay, pagasa di. At sa likod agi. Oh. Oh my love. Dai, pagasi deh. Oh, wait. 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 Manaday, pangaday. She is done. The princess is gone. Done. You know what? When I got her, she almost died. She has a lot of wounds everywhere, and there's already like worm in it, or what do you call them. And then the story behind, so I have to go to the mountain to my auntie for something, you know, it's very important. And then when I was driving, I saw her in the middle of the road, and then I gave her food. I thought that somebody owns her, and then I was thinking, if somebody owns her, why she has a lot of wounds all over the body, and she's not even well, like she's almost dying. So I gave her food, but I was really feel pity about her. And then like I cannot take her with me. I was really like I want to take her with me already, but I still have to go to my auntie, and I cannot take her with me. So I decided, I told myself, if I get back and you're standing in the middle of the road, and if you're still around, I'm gonna take you home. But I before I give her food before I left her. So yeah, so I asked that sign, if you will be standing in the middle of the road and I'm there, I'm gonna take you home. So when I got back, she's really literally in the middle of the road. So I think it's meant to be. And then I took her with me. And then it's been like almost 4 months she's with me now. But I got her, I think she's like 4 months old or something. What's this? Sorry my love. So yeah, and then now she's 4 months old rather. And on Monday I'm gonna take her for her first rabies vaccination, so I have to get her ready. So that's her story, and her name is SAB-A because that's where I found her. The name of the mountain is SAB-A. So from my house to there, it's like an hour roughly, or more than an hour. So I got her with me. I wrap her with a cloth. I take her with me, take her home with me. And then there's signs of trauma. She every time she saw somebody, she's like running. So yeah, even until now, she's still dealing with the trauma. So basically, she's growing and she's getting beautiful. So yeah, nice to meet you everyone. My name is SAB-A. Bye.